Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review VEVOR 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. The VEVOR 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is designed for medium to large painting projects, delivering up to 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure with a powerful 750 watts motor. It offers a maximum flow rate of 1.2 liters per minute, making painting much faster than rolling or brushing. The sprayer features fan-shaped atomization for smooth, even coverage, a detachable pump for easy cleaning, an extension pole for high or low areas, and adjustable speed control to match different painting needs. Users on Amazon say it works great for larger projects, covering fences, walls, and furniture efficiently. They appreciate that it's easy to set up, offers consistent spray quality, and can even be hooked up to a roller for continuous painting. Many find it sturdy, powerful, and a big-time saver compared to handheld or HVLP sprayers. Some note minor issues like occasional dripping or unclear instructions, but overall it's highly recommended for medium to large tasks. Now let's see the pros and cons. On the positive side, it delivers high pressure of 3,000 pounds per square inch, has a 750 watts motor, adjustable flow, comes with a cart, and is fast and efficient for walls and furniture. On the negative side, build quality can vary, setup and cleaning may be tricky, overspray is possible, and warranty and support are limited. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.